Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize HUD in NBA 2K26. So if you wanna adjust some settings for HUD, then firstly we need to go to the features tab, then under it go to features section, and then we need to select customize HUD. Now we have a bunch of categories to choose from. So firstly we'll see this one, which is perfect release animation. So when we select this option, then we have a bunch of options in it as well. So first option is this one, which is visibility. So you can turn it off, and now you can see the changes has been applied on my previous screen as well. So I want it to be for all shots, so I'll select that option. Then choose your graphic. If you want ball animation or flame animation, you can choose it accordingly. So I want ball animation, so I'll select that from here. Then choose your placement, sound effect, so everything can be customized from here. Now I want to change the player indicators, so I'll go to this category, then choose your visibility. If you turn it off, then select the off option, or you can set it to on. Now we have a bunch of graphics as well. We have circle, basketball and flame, so I want to go with circle. Then we can also choose the color of the circle, so I want orange circle. I'll select it. Then we can choose the size of the circle as well, so let's go with medium. Now let's say I want to change the shot meter, then I can just go to the shot meter section. Under it I can choose the visibility of the shot meter, and if I turn it off, then you can see the green bar has been disabled, but I want to have it enabled. Then we can also choose the graphic for it. We can change the color, size, placement. So you can basically go through all of these categories and customize the HUD like you want. Now let's say I want to enable or disable the ball handler text, then I can just go into this category. Then we have three options. Firstly, if you want to disable the visibility of ball handler text, then you can go in it, and if I turn it off, then you can see the ball handler text is now disabled, but I want to have it enabled. Then we have this ability icon. Under it, if you disable it, then the icon will be disabled. Now we have this text format. If you want to have number and position, then you can select this option. If you want only name, then you can select that too. So these are the options you can use to customize your HUD. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.